guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RoseJayCreates and I am Rose, and thank you for stopping by. Thank you for showing your support as always. I look forward to producing and kind of uploading more videos so you guys can kind of show support. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you're not leaving any comments, make sure you leave those comments, leave a thumbs up as well. Make sure you hit that notification bell, that way I'm notified every time a video is uploaded. Or, I'm sorry, that way you're notified every time a video is uploaded. I'm the one that's uploading the video. Haha. Anyways, it's nice to have you guys supporting me throughout these weeks and months. I really appreciate all the support. Make sure if you are watching videos and an ad pops up, please let those ads run. That's how I kind of make money off of the ads. Since I am being monetized now, it just kind of helps me with income, being laid off work. I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing me talk about being laid off work, but I am laid off work, and so I use YouTube as another source of income. So again, guys, thank you so much for showing your support. And as always, check me out on Instagram, RoseJayCreates, and then I also have an Etsy channel as well, RoseJayCreates. I have a few items on there, about 10 items, and so they are for sale. So please reach out, show your support, whatever way you can. And again, guys, thank you for tuning in to RoseJayCreates. Have a great day. Bye-bye.